everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and I have a problem. It is Stinky Floetrol. This stuff will take you right out of the room. It smells really, really bad. Some of these are about 5 months old. This one I bought the first week of March, and within 2 weeks of opening it, it already smelled awful. It's about 3/4 of the way gone. There's only a little bit left in this one. This one is about 3/4 done. This is half. This one is from January. This one I believe might be December, I can't remember. And they all smell absolutely horrible. I have a couple of the 1 liters, the skinny bottles. They smell awful too. I have been to 4 Home Depots and Lowe's in my area. They all smell awful. Yes, I'm the crazy lady in the aisle sniffing all the bottles. You should see the looks from the workers. It's actually quite funny. I cannot find Floetrol that does not stink. So it's starting to play into what I can actually paint. I have a request for a really large painting coming up soon. And I don't know what I'm going to do because I definitely cannot afford to be using just Liquitex pouring medium or GAC 800 to mix my paints. Even if I bought the really, really big jugs of Amsterdam and just used water and a little bit of that Liquitex pouring medium, that would suck any profit out of a really big painting. It wouldn't even make sense. And that would be using up a lot of paint. This makes this craft hobby, fun, small business profitable, or at least break even. And without Floetrol, I actually don't know what I'm going to do. I would love to know if anybody else is having this problem with the Stinky Floetrol. I am writing an email to Flood to see what their advice is on this and what if anybody else is having this issue and where and when I can find maybe a new batch of this stuff. Maybe this is only a Connecticut area problem. I don't know. I would love to know if anybody else is dealing with this. If you have, or if you have a solution, or that won't break my bank and allow me to still buy groceries and paint supplies, please let me know in the comments below. I am really interested in what we're going to do about this Stinky Floetrol problem. Hey, if I'm the only one with the problem, then I am very happy for everybody else. And I'm going to have to work out, maybe drive even further for some Floetrol that doesn't stink. And does that mean it's going to stink within 2 weeks of opening up like this March batch did? I don't know. I guess I'll take that chance. But I would really, really love to know anybody else's comments on this problem. And maybe it's just a me problem, which is fine. But seriously, it is so stinky. So I will see you all in the next painting, I hope. And this was just my little short question. If anybody can help me out with this, please, please let me know. See you all soon. Quick update. I recently took a class from Tammy Anderson. If you're not following her on YouTube, you got to go check her out. She is so cool. She taught us in a way that has helped me. I can't even tell you. I think it's also being in person that helped me. But she is in Connecticut and having the same problem I am with Stinky Floetrol. So another person in class recommended that I buy it on Amazon. I did. It was a little bit more expensive, but I was willing to, pony up the money. It's fine. It worked for 2.5 weeks before it got smelly. So now I have half a bottle of that is stinky. So I'm still back to having Stinky Floetrol and not being able to paint with it. So if anybody has a solution to this, which I think they're going to say is Amsterdam paint with just water and maybe a little bit of GAC 800 and Liquitex pouring medium, that's fine. And if that's what you're doing, please let me know. I'm really interested in other people's opinions on this. Thank you.